Hello everybody, my name is Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about these non-transferable lip color from inside. As you could see, I have quite a few in my hands and I really love these lip colors. So if you're somebody who is interested in watching such videos, so give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Without further delay, let's get into the video. So these are the Sinsite non-transfer lip color. They retail for ₹75. These are the cheapest lip colors you would ever find in India, and must say they have done a very good job in variety of the shades. Let's go ahead and see the features of it. The Insite Cosmetics claims these following features for these lip colors. So they say it's richly pigmented, that offers amazing color payoff in just one application. And it is smudge and transfer proof formula, offers all day wear for 24 hours. Even though the company claims that you can wear this lipstick for 24 hours, I would not suggest you guys to do that because it's really not good for our skin and our lips as well. Next one is it's fortified with a moisturizing formula that keeps the lips hydrated and moisturized. Okay. And lastly, the product is paraben free. I will go ahead and swatch these lip colors for you so that you can have a good idea about what exactly they are claiming and whether it's true or not. So in order to see whether they are smudge proof, so let's go ahead and test. And I could see they are really smudge proof, like amazing job guys. I'm wearing in the shade 22 and I must say guys, it's very it gives really amazing look and it's something which turns the table around all the time. The lip color which is available for ₹75 and it's smudge proof, it's really commendable. Let's move on to the lip swatches and let me tell you the pros and cons of this lip color. Guys, as you could see the swatches already, so let's move ahead about the formula. These lip colors are highly pigmented and the formula is amazing. These are lightweight on the lips. You do not really feel that you are wearing anything and it is really amazing feeling guys. So when it comes to the application, I could only go for one dip. One dip of the product is enough to cover my whole lip and I did not go for a reapplication, and it's been a while that I have applied this lip color and must say it is doing a really good job. So when it comes to the long lasting formula, yes, it is a long lasting formula. I've been applying it for more than 3 hours now and I'm just sipping on water and it looks perfectly fine for me. I have not gone for a retouch. Let's go ahead and do the smudge test again. I've been just sipping some water and that's how it looks, and here you go. Yes, So I haven't eaten anything for the last 3 hours. I think I will also be inserting a picture of me after eating a food, whether the lip color gonna stay or not. And this is how it looks after eating a food. It leaves a weird line. It doesn't really blend well with your lip once you have a food. I'm somebody who would not mind this happening, because for the ₹75 they are doing a very good job, and I think it's really recommendable. So company claims that it moisturizes your lips and keep it hydrated for a long time. I personally don't feel it. I feel that my lips are already dry, and if you're somebody who would not mind to apply a lip moisturizer and then go ahead, that would suit perfectly for you guys. But in general, I apply moisturizer and then apply the lip color. So that's the only way that I pamper my lips. So yeah. So if you're somebody who would not mind to apply moisturizer and then go ahead with these lipsticks, trust me, these are really amazing. I think every girl should have these lip colors, and they are available in a very wide range. I don't mind to try these kind of different lip shades on my skin so that I could see what exactly works best for me and how exactly I can go ahead in my future as well. So have it. Highly recommended to you guys. I think every girl should have this in her makeup bucket so that she can explore more colors and also feel good and feel comfortable about what exactly works best for her. And trust me, you would not have any regrets, because they retain for ₹75. So that's like a plus. They might be cheap in price, but the quality is amazing. I am using these from almost a year and a half, and I think these products have not harmed any way to me, and I can really suggest and really recommend you girls to have them. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos, please go ahead and comment down and tell me which is your favorite shade. My favorite shade is 22. I love the way it has given me the vibe. Anyway, so if you're somebody who are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would highly appreciate if you do that, and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post a YouTube video. So if you're somebody who would like to watch dance content, then you could go ahead to my other YouTube channel where I post only dance related videos, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you so much for tuning in for today. This is me, Shruti Shidling, signing off as of now, and I'll be meeting you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, sanitize and double mask.